Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to another Q&A vlog, Q&A reaction vlog. So, the comment that I want to react to today is this. You are being bashed because that's not your line or passion. It's more of sabay sa uso. You don't even know 95% of the current NBA players. So parang this was a comment that was left on my earlier video where I was talking about getting bashed for collecting NBA cards. So, magre-react tayo dito as well as answer a couple of warm-up questions. So, kung excited kayo, keep on watching. Tara, let's go. So, our first question is from Kyle Baltasar. So, ang tanong ni Kyle, what is your favorite watch and what is your favorite sneaker? So Kyle, thank you for asking me that question. Marami akong favorite sneakers and I have a lot of favorite watches, but maybe I'll share with you what I've been wearing the most lately. So when it comes to the watches, I'm wearing the Huawei smartwatch. So I'll do a video on this soon, pero sobrang trip ko siya because you get, it tracks my steps, it forces me to be active, and it also measures my sleep. So it tells me if I'm not getting enough sleep. Sobrang useful siya. Ganda pa tingnan, very premium looking. So that is one of my current favorite watches. For the shoes, you could imagine, napakadami kong gustong sapatos, but the one that I've been wearing mostly because of the comfort, and wala ka naman pinopormahan these days, di ba? Kasi nga, it's pandemic, is the New Balance Fresh Foam. I think this is called the V11 or something. Pero it's just super comfortable, perfect for people like me who have wide and flat feet. And speaking of sneakers, guys, huwag nyo lang kalimutan, we are giving away a brand new Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Monocle. So the mechanics of this giveaway is linked down below in the comment section, nakapin siya. So click it, watch that video. Nandun lahat ng details on how you can potentially win this brand new Yeezy. Two more warm-up questions before we get to the juicy part. Then Sanity asks, next car you wanna buy? Well, to be honest, I don't wanna buy any car. I'm perfectly happy with the cars that I have. I have a black Subaru XV and I have a black Subaru Forester. So the next question is from Kenneth Arroyo. What advice would you give to the young adults that you wish you had known before? Specifically to a younger me, bawasan mo extra rice. No, seriously, I would probably say be more mindful about your health and your fitness and be more mindful also about your finances. So yun siguro yung top 2 na pwede ko bigay. Oh, and don't stop caring about what people who don't matter in your life think about you kasi that will just kill the spirit out of you. And that leads me to the reaction to the post to the comment that I mentioned earlier. Hanapin ko ulit. So yung comment niya, you are being bashed because that's not your line or passion. It's more of sabay sa uso. You don't even know 95% of the current NBA players. So why am I reacting to this comment? Kasi I feel that there's a big lesson to be learned over here. And I'll start by saying I totally understand where people who think that way are coming from. Kasi mahal na mahal nila yung NBA cards eh. Hindi naman sa parang alam mo yon, they hate me per se, di ba? But they really love the hobby, they really love the NBA, they really love and they've invested so much in that. And parang pag may nakita silang isang tao na parang saan nang galing yan, naturally, isipin nila, sino yan? Walang karapatan yan makigulo dito. And I totally understand that because I know you love the hobby so much. And I'm not even faulting you against that. That's why I'm not getting hurt. As in, okay lang talaga sa akin. But allow me to share with you a big lesson. So I heard that same line in different ways 3 times in my life. So the first time was in 2012. So in 2012, I was trying to break into the tech blog scene. So I put up unbox.ph, it's a gadget review website. Ako lang yung nagsusulat. And yun din yung mga comments na rinig ko. Sino yan? May mga established, vloggers na and bloggers about technology. I just literally came out of nowhere and I started writing, I started publishing, I started just pushing my work out there. And I would constantly hear from some other people na parang wala namang karapatan yan, anong alam yan, hindi naman marunong yan, di marunong magsulat, di marunong mag-review, achuchu. So to make a long story short, I didn't listen to them. Because I knew that my heart and my mission and my love for the hobby was much bigger than what they could possibly say to prove me otherwise. Because I kept going and did not listen to them, what happened? Unbox.ph is now one of the most top viewed websites in the Philippines. It now employs over 8 to 9 people. I was able to go to different parts of the world. I was able to go to Google in San Francisco. I was able to go to Barcelona for Mobile World Congress. I was able to meet some of the biggest tech titans in the world, from Sundar Pichai, the Google CEO, to Sheryl Sandberg at Facebook. I was able to watch James Gunn and Mark Zuckerberg on the same stage at Facebook F8. Man, I was even able to watch Kaigo do a concert in the Google campus during Google I/O. Ang saya. As in talagang, I would not, if I listened to the people who told me na wala kang karapatan dito, na hindi mo alam yan, hindi nangyari lahat yun. Another time that happened, actually mas nauna pa to versus this, is when I was trying to break into the digital marketing scene. So I was very vocal. I put up a website, newmedia.com.ph. I would write opinions and commentaries about digital kahit wala naman talaga ako masyadong alam nun at the start. And I just tried to grow into it and learn it and be better every day kahit hindi pa ako yung expert. So again, it's the same thing. Some people from the industry said, sino yan? Ano karapatan yan? Bakit siya yung ini-interview? Bakit siya nag-vlog? Ano ba alam niyan? Di naman marunong yan? Ano ba background yan? And kung nakinig ako sa kanila, then I wouldn't have the career that I have today. Diba? I was able to work in some of the best digital companies in the Philippines. I was able to put up and sell a digital agency. And a lot of the skills that I have now and the business that I have now is founded on my skills in digital marketing. Third, sneakers. Sobrang juicy to. So when I was starting my YouTube channel, this YouTube channel about sneakers, it's the same thing. People who were into this scene earlier felt siguro na parang wala na naman akong karapatan, nakikisabay lang naman ako, or a culture vulture, or kung ano pa maisip nila na pwede nilang iba to my way. Siraan pa nila ako sa kung kani-kanino. But to be honest, it didn't matter eh. I was really enjoying doing videos like this. Sobra ako nag-enjoy na bumibili ng sapatos, nag-unbox ng sapatos, tinetesting at kino-compare yung Ultra Boost versus Nike React. Trying to figure out what the latest Yeezy drop is and sharing my experience with it, doing mystery boxes. I was just genuinely having fun. As in, sobrang saya lang for me and it was a great way to distress. Kung nakinig ako sa kanila, if I listen to them saying na wala kang karapatan, hindi ka naman sneakerhead OG, hindi mo naman alam lahat ng ginagawa mo, sinasabi mo. Kung nakinig ako, di wala tayong ganito. Then I wouldn't have a YouTube channel with over 760,000 subs. I wouldn't have met so many awesome people through sneaker events and conferences that I've met and talked to through the years. We wouldn't have Project 721, yung community ko on Facebook with over 60,000 people. So, buti na lang, hindi ako nakinig, di ba? In short, I totally get you and I totally understand you and I, wish you no hate. But yeah, I don't care and I will not let it stop me from pursuing what it is that I like, pursuing what it is that I enjoy, pursuing what it is that gives me a little bit more excitement every day. And I will not let that kind of negative rob me of that life, of that joy. And kaya ko siya gusto pag-usapan kasi I want you guys to hear that as well. Na every time you hear from people na you shouldn't try it, na you shouldn't do that, that's not meant for you, na you're hanggang dyan ka na lang, don't listen. Don't let them kill your dreams. Don't let them kill that joy that you feel when you do what it is that you love and you enjoy. Do not listen. And also don't hate. Intindihin nyo na lang sila. Ganun sila eh. Diba? That's how much they love the hobby too. That's how much they care about it so much na they feel like parang, sino yan? Diba? So intindihin nyo na lang. Ganun talaga eh. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. And hopefully one day, you get to meet and who knows, maybe eventually you can become friends pa with one another, diba? So yun ang aking reaction to that particular post. Hindi nyo in-expect yun, no? So anyway, since NBA cards yung pinag-reactan ko to end this vlog, alam nyo na, we will unbox another batch of NBA cards that I was able to get recently. Okay, so these are boxes that I got from On Court Hobbies. Shout out kay Renz. So I did a personal break of Donruss Clearly. Itong box na to, Donruss Clearly. I think I bought it for like 10,000 pesos. So sobrang panalo yung laman niya. I can't wait to show you what I was able to get. So, ito na yun guys. I'll show you first the major hits na nakuha natin. No? So, ito yun. on-court hobby. So kitang-kita nyo na naman yung card from there. We have, tanggalin natin, exciting. We have this rated rookie Donovan Mitchell. Spida. O, diba? Ganda talaga ng Donruss Clearly cards. I love the transparent like design of the card. They're also not super expensive. So we have other cards over here. Jason Tatum na purple parallel. And we have over here Desmond Bain na gold parallel. Pero ito talaga yung maganda. This one's super, ito pa rin. Si Donovan Mitchell, si Spida. This one's super nice. Super happy to get this one. Now, we also have a bunch of other cards over here that I think are the nice ones, no? Kasi the other base are there. So we have this really nice rookie card of Tyrese Maxey. We have over here Isaac Okoro. We have over here Sadiq Bey. And we have over here, boom, Zion Williamson. Ganda. However, yun talaga nagpabawi nitong lahat. So itabi natin yan. So you have the base cards pa there. We have this. Dominant, parallel holo, numbered 1 to 10. Well, it's out of 10 and it is first print. Number 1 out of 10. Dominant Steph Curry. Whew! Panalo. Ang ganda. Holo pa siya or silver, whatever you call it. But man, dun pa lang, as in, ito pa lang bawi ka na and over and beyond. And then you add all of these pa. This was one of the very best, easily, boxes that I've ever gotten. So shout out again to On-Court Hobbies. So gets you na, that's what it's about. It's that joy. It's that fun. It's that, parang I don't care if you think I'm an expert. I don't want to even position myself as an expert. Or I am just having fun. Panalo, di ba? Nakakatuwa. As in, woo! Anyway, so with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog for today. As usual, this is Carlo. If you guys want me to react to other questions or to answer any other questions that you have, comment lang kayo sa baba. I'll make it a point to go through them every night and I'll select probably around 5 to 10, which I will answer on a regular basis. Habang ECQ, kasi hindi tayo makalabas eh. We can't go out. We can't check out shops. We can't do the usual vlogs. So we'll just, keep on doing this until we're able to go back to life in general. With that said, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.